Okay, so as my colleague Nick was just saying, he was doing the spark test for the engine, and we got no spark, which means that if we got no spark, then there has to be something to do with the crankshaft position sensor. And the crankshaft position sensor, basically what it does is the computer from the car reads the crankshaft position sensor to see where the piston is before the spark event happens at the top, before top dead center, so the air to fuel mixture inside the car doesn't pre-ignite or anything like that, and you'll be able to get the right amount of pressure that you need from the engine. So basically, with the RPM gauge, you got to do this, and if the RPM gauge moves, that means that the computer is reading the crankshaft position sensor correctly. So in all honesty, it's a matter of timing. But the RPM gauge did not move, which means that the computer isn't getting a signal from the crankshaft position sensor, which in turn will not give it that spark that it needs to start the vehicle. So now I'm going to pass it on to my colleague Edwin, and he'll take it from there.